10 counts of murder, which of course also is a felony. You have no bond on the murder charges. Only a superior court judge can even consider bond on that. You are entitled to have a hearing to consider you for bond within 30 days. So I've made a note of that on your first appearance order. And ma'am, I'm going to caution you to cut out the display for the cameras. It's really not a good idea, and probably not to your benefit. I can't physically stop you from doing it, but it ain't a good idea. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for Thursday, July 20th at 8:30 in the morning. Now, you didn't really complete your financial affidavit. First of all, are you employed?
No, I don't work. No, I don't work.
Do you have the financial capacity to hire and pay an attorney to represent you on these charges?
I don't need an attorney.
You don't need an attorney.
No.
Well, I beg to disagree with you. You have a right to represent yourself. In our Constitution, you have a right to represent yourself.
My attorneys, it's the people that we're fighting for. That's the hope. It's always the hope because it's the last thing that dies. Please, you are the hope of the world, each one of you. It doesn't matter what color you are, because God loves us all.
So you do not want to have a lawyer to represent you?
No.
Well, I'm going to tell you, I can't force one on you. All right? I would highly recommend that you consider changing your mind about that, because you qualify for the court to appoint one at the county's expense. At this stage of things, I cannot coerce you to and will not attempt to coerce you to accept an attorney. However, once again, I would recommend that you let that be done, because you're going to come into court in a couple of weeks and you're going to have the district attorney sitting there and some police detectives sitting here and put up evidence to detain you further on these charges. And I doubt that you're well equipped to handle that on your own. But that's your decision. I will make a note that you intend to represent yourself. You may have a seat.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Let me address one more thing. One thing we can do is an appointed attorney that wouldn't be representing you, but at least can advise you on court procedures, so that they could be in court to advise you on things that can or can't be done, but wouldn't stand in your place. So I can do that.
For me, the hope and my attorneys are always going to be the people and my faith. Those are my attorneys. That's why I'm here. It doesn't matter anything else. I'm representing the people that's humble, that's hardworking, the people that suffer, the people that has a lot of charges, so that they understand that everything's possible with God.
All right, well, we are concluded with you.
Even the apostle.
You probably need to stop talking.
Thank you very much.